Hey everyone, Clint Butler here, and thank you for joining me. This is SIA test number 14. On behalf of Dory Fran and the entire SIA team, I'd like to thank you for joining. If you could, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and the bell. It gives our channel a lot more action on the YouTubes. We appreciate you. So, test number 14, it's word count. This was the third in a series of tests that we did. Testing word count and the specifications that you kind of need to rank with Google. So let's get into it. All right, so what we got is two tests. There's test 3, which is testing a range between 300 and 3,400 words in a 100-word increment. So 300, 400, 500. You get it. And then the next one is taking the results from test 3 and seeing if we can narrow it down to see if Google is looking for an exact word count. Now, if you remember when I talked to you in test 2, or round 2, and I think I also addressed in round 1, is that I use 1,300 words as that's my sweet spot for when I'm ordering, and this helps us narrow it down and kind of verify that we're in the general right direction for the average. And what that means is, all things being equal, everything else is optimized the exact same way on each one of the pages. You and the competition are exactly the same, optimized exactly the same. And you have the exact same backlinks. You're optimized exactly the same. The winner would be the one in the word count. And how is that range defined? Well, 1,300 words is kind of what we're sticking at. But these two tests told us that anywhere between 1,100 and 1,600 words, you're pretty much generally okay for the standard keyword. Now remember, this applies keyword to keyword. Some keywords require like a book. Other keywords, 300 is just fine. So you got to test it out and know what you're competing against, and know that or understand that keyword density is also kind of at play here. In these tests, we kept keyword density the same. I would venture to say that if we changed this up a little bit and did the 300 to 3,400, and then our 300 words actually had a higher keyword density than the rest of them, I would almost want to say, well, I can intelligently guess that the keyword density would trump the keyword count, and the 300-word article would win. Definitely something for us to test and look at, and maybe we'll duplicate test number 4, which is that range, and see if that's actually true. And maybe you don't need 1,300 words. Maybe you just need 1,000. Just to say what you need to say and be done with it, and add a little bit to the keyword density in comparison to your competition, and you win. So we'll see how that goes. All right, so if you have any questions or comments about this test, please leave them in the comments below, and I appreciate you. Hit the thumbs up or the thumbs down. Engagement is engagement, and we need it all, and appreciate your subscription to the channel. And have a good day.